Friends, and welcome to once again on my यूट्यूब चैनल डेली न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल। CCTVs were on Reliance safety top priority. Vaishno rejects opposition stampede charge. The Rajya Sabha on Monday passed the Railway Amendment Bill 2024 through voice vote amid a workout by a section of opposition member alleging attempt to hide details of the stampede at the New Delhi railway station on February 15, which left 18 people dead. With the passage of the bill cleared by the Lok Sabha on December 11 last year, provision of Indian Railway Board Act 1905 will be replaced and incorporated into the Railway Act 1989. The bill will empower the centre to make provisions pertaining to qualification, experience, tenure of appointment of the chairman and other member of the railway board, and also the manner of filling up the post. During the debate, opposition MPs questioned the overall functioning of the railway and attacked the government over increased fares, quality of service and safety issue, citing the example of the Delhi Stampede and the 2023 Balasore accident that killed 291 people. They alleged centralization of railway board appointment through the bill and lack of the parliament oversight. The opposition member walked out the house when Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw categorically denied the allegations of the RJD MP Manoj Kumar Jha act. CCTV cameras were switched off at the New Delhi railway station when the stampede happened. Jha also raised questions on the accountability of railway accidents. Replying to Jha's claim, Vaishnaw said, "A proof is under way regarding the New Delhi station stampede. I categorically deny the CCTVs were switched off. I have the CCTVs footage. It is tragic even if one life is lost. We do not have to political politicize the issue." Vaishnaw said, "The government is giving topmost priority to safety in railways, having committed an outlay of over 1 lakh crore per year for upgrading various mechanisms. It is taking several steps to enhance safety measures, such as creating holding areas with a pilot being run at New Delhi, Anand Vihar, Varanasi, Ghaziabad, and Ayodhya railway station." He said, all, all these stations will soon be equipped with access control, and only those with confirmed tickets would be able to go to the platforms. Joints vulnerability has been reduced through longer railway panels. We we had only 90 fog safety device in 2014. Today we have 26,000 device. We are replacing old railway lines. 50,000 kilometers have been replaced, he has said. Responding to questions on the centralizations of powers. Vaishnav said the bill's intent is to simplify the existing legislations by the merging two acts and added that it would empower the field officers. He cited the example of the powers of zonal general managers to accept contract worth एक 1,000 crore at their level and sections. Projects up to 50 crore. Empowerment and decentralizations have given pace to work. There is no questions of reducing power of states. PM Narendra Modi inherently believe in cooperative federalism. He said, in the last 11 years, 24,000 kilometers of new railway tracks have been laid and 35,000 kilometers of electrification of railway lines has been done. He said the ministers this this will reduce population by 95% when compared to diesel locomotive. Whether it is road or rail, we should electrify transportation, he said. Earlier in the debate, Congress MP Vivek Thanga opposed the bill, saying it has the shrunk parliamentary security, reduced the railway board's autonomy, and made it ministers driven, slamming Vaishnav for his bureaucratic mindset. He questions whether accountability for accident lay only with officials. TMC Susmita Dev said the 1989 Railway Act has 200 sections that deals with every issue and subjects. He said it was the apt time to review the act, make amendment to it, and send that bill to an appropriate committee for scrutiny. NPC's Paul Patel, BJP's Ghanshyam Tiwari, former PM HD Devgowda, and Aam Aadmi Party's Sandeep Kumar Pathak supported the amendment to the bill during the debate. Devgowda appreciate Vaishnav work as the railway ministers, lavishing praise on the railway expansion work.